Welcome to Invest Ed.
Hello guys, welcome sa Invest Ed. So today, we are going to discuss behaviors that signal a bad investor. Many investors have generated some really bad habits, and a lot of times, many investors are not aware of their own bad habits. Okay, so the first step is to take a really honest look at yourself, and once you became aware of what you're doing, then you can change your habit. So the good news here is that there are easy solutions to all and sort of bad mindsets and bad habits we are about to discuss. Okay, so when you put the solutions into place, you're gonna be doing a world of good for your portfolio and even into your life. And also into your financial independence. Here are a bad investing habit you got to stop doing. Bad habit na kailangan nating iwaksi para magtagumpay tayo sa pag-i-invest natin. Okay, so first behavior you need to break is not doing enough reading or you're not doing enough research doon sa company na gusto mong pag-investan. Kasi napaka-importante na bago tayo magsimulang mag-invest sa company na gusto mong pag-investan or paglagakan ng pera mong pinaghirapan, first, you have to research the company. Dapat naiintindihan mo yung company, yung research na naniniwala ka sa kanilang vision, mission, and also, ano ba yung kino-contribute ng company sa ekonomiya and sa society. Okay, so even though na nagbibigay ako ng informations kung paano mag-research ng company and nakita yung rating sa buy or hold, this is my own research. This is how I research. So, pinapakita ko lang kung paano ako nagre-research, no? And paano ako nag-i-invest and ano yung criteria ko sa pag-i-invest. So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. This is not a recommendation na bilhin nyo. Okay? This is how I research para magkaroon kayo lang ng idea kung paano mag-research ng isang stocks. Okay, so you have to always trust your research and do your own diligence sa pagre-research ng isang stocks, no? Kasi napaka-importante, ito yung pinaka-crucial na part, no, sa pag-i-invest, that you have to research the company. Kasi kapag alam mo na kung paano mag-research ng company, talagang I will raise my case na it is very worth it talaga, no? And also, no, you have to read some books na magagamit nyo sa pag-i-invest sa inyong financial journey, no, or sa investing journey nyo. So, you have to gain a lot of knowledge sa mga successful investors like Warren Buffett, Monish Pabrai, Peter Lynch, and many more investors na successful sa kanilang investing journey. So, grab a copy of books na pinapublish nila para magkaroon kayo ng ibang idea, no, an ibang vision sa pag-i-invest sa stock market. And also, no, kapag nakakuha kayo ng ibang information, ipagsama-sama nyo para makabuo ka ng matibay na konklusyon at matibay na pundasyon sa pag-i-invest mo sa stock market. Again, investing in yourself is the best financial decisions that you make. Again, nobody cares about your money as much as you do. Okay? So, you have to do your own diligence sa pagre-research ng stocks. Okay, so take your own financial future into your hand and do your research by reading and reading. And you'll discover you're gonna start seeing opportunity with companies that match your values and passions and also talent. So ano ba yung hinahanap natin kapag nagre-research tayo ng company or ng isang stocks? You just research for companies that meet these 4 tests. Okay? 4 criteria. Okay, so first, you have to understand the business, no? So, sa pag nagre-research ka, you have to understand na talagang naniniwala ka sa kanilang vision, naniniwala ka sa kanilang mission, naniwala ka kung ano yung mangyayari sa kanilang next 5 years, 10 years from now, no? You have to understand what they are doing. And kung naniniwala ka sa kanilang vision, mission, okay, that's good. And let's proceed to the second part and to the second step. Number 2, the company have a competitive advantage over its competitors, no? Or merong moat ang company na hindi basta-basta mapapasok ng competitors yung kanilang businesses, or hindi basta-basta mawawipe out ang company ng kanilang competitors. Okay? So meron silang competitive advantage sa kanilang businesses. That's a very important things to consider also, no? So pangatlo, it's managed with integrity. The people who are running it are talented. Or in short, the company have a good management, no? So napaka-importante na talagang merong good management yung company na pinag-investan mo, or transparent also sila sa pagbibigay ng informations sa mga shareholders nila, no? Don't invest to a company na you don't trust, okay? Okay, so 4, it's selling at a big discount or nasa margin of safety ang company. So, we want to buy a company na below or nasa margin of safety ang company para makabili tayo ng super discount sa company, no? We don't want to buy sa company na nasa fair value yung price ng company, no? So, we want to maximize potential profit, no, sa company na gusto nating pag-investan. So, you always remember that 4 categories na pwede nating magamit, no, para magkaroon tayo ng matibay na konklusyon at matibay na pundasyon sa pag-i-invest natin sa stock market. Okay, so second, you're not thinking long term. Okay, so if you're trying to get rich quick, you got the wrong mindset. If you're trying to make money on something right away, you got the wrong mindset. So investing doesn't make you wealthy overnight. Kasi in fact, investing hoping you're gonna get a real big hit on a stock that goes right up, it's pretty unreliable. So successful investors have a really good long strategy. So investing is all about not holding a company for even 10 minutes unless you're ready to hold on to it for 10 years. Okay, so when we buy a company, so we really hope it goes down so we can buy more, it cheaper. So that's the difference, and most important, no, to have a long-term view sa company na gusto mong pag-investan sa stock market. Okay? Also, in fact, what I learned from most successful investors in the world, no, they like to invest sa company na bumabagsak yung presyo, but most importantly, dapat yung fundamentals na company ay maganda. Alam nila from 5 years, alam nila na 5 to 10 years from now, na andyan pa rin yung company na yan and is still growing, no? So, yung mga gustong pag-investan ng mga successful investors, no? So, kung yun ang ginagawa ng mga most successful investors in the world, so bakit natin hindi gayahin yung mga ginagawa nila to produce such a return? Okay? So para maging successful din tayo sa pag-i-invest sa stock market. So that's the key. Okay, so that's the key to being very comfortable and not emotional about long-term investing. Okay guys, so hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating video about bad investing habit to avoid, no? So sana may natutunan ka sa ating video, and maraming salamat guys sa suporta, and as always, invest wisely and see you on the other side. Hello guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana marami kayo natutunan sa video na to. So kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na parating at marami pa kayong matututunan sa channel na ito. So, maraming salamat.